New composition, HD, we'll make it 10 seconds, 30 milliseconds, we're ready to go. I want to rename the layer to film roll so we know what we're doing. And these images I got from Mixkit, you can just get that. They got loads of free videos and images, good to use. So I'm going to cut it at 429. Go to my Lumetri color. And I want to make it look how I want it to look. You can do any look you want. The look I'm going for is a bit of a washed out filmic type of look. And then I want to go into position, alt click, wiggle. When I wiggle, I'm going to make it 15 and 4. So I just got a little bit of movement there, that's good. I will scale it up because the edges, that looks good to me. Put the negative on top, and I just got this negative off the internet. And I'm going to stretch it out. Make it fit, that looks good to me. Position, alt click. I'll probably make it 25. Yeah. Then I'm gonna put a grunge layer on. Grunge, I'll turn it to screen. Look at it, I don't really like that. So I'm gonna change that mode. I think I'll change the mode to something like color dodge. And then we're gonna turn the opacity down to about 11. That looks better, more subtle. Add a color to it. This is optional, that's up to you. That's what I want to do. Now it gives it a lovely subtle little look. Put another grunge layer on. Now we're going to change this one to soft light. That gives it a nice look. Brings out the grunge a bit more. And we're going to turn the opacity down to 30. Now I want to copy this layer and I'm going to rotate it 180. So there's a bit of variation. Put a tint to it. Now I want to add a new adjustment layer and I'm going to add the effect offset. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to make it like it's a film roll. So you know how the old film rolls go. In the beginning, we're going to have a bit of randomness before it gets straight, and then we're going to make it roll straight. Now there's lots of other things you can do, and this part, this is all on your own preference, how you want the film to move. So you don't have to copy it exactly how I'm doing it. You can slow it down and do that if you want. This is what I want to do. So I'm just adding my keyframes and I'm just making it look a bit jumpy. Like a film is really rolling. Add this last one, move that, add another one. Yeah, I think that's good. We F9 that, everything's easy eased. Now we want to do camera lens blur. That kind of effect that just makes it good. So you just need to make 3 keyframes for the camera lens blur. 0, 50, 0. Space them out and put them wherever you want. I want to copy it. I'm going to paste it here. And that looks good to me. It's giving the effect I want. Now we want a new solid. We're going to add something good to it now, the particle. So we're going to go into effects. We're going to particle systems 2. Now this one here, we're just going to spread out the radius of the Y and the X so it covers the screen. Once we've done that, birth rate 0.1, longevity 0.1. Then we're going to change it to direction. Now we're going to make the velocity 0.1, gravity 0.1, resistance 1.9, alt click the direction. And we're going to use wiggle again, one of my favorite ones to use. 30 and 2 will work for me, not too much. Now let's get to the extra, let's make it 5.0. Now the particle type, we change it to lens convex. Birth size 1.65, depth size 0.76, size variation 76, opacity 50, and we're gonna add a fill just to give it a little color, make it look nice. That orange looks good, it looks movie-ish to me. So yeah, and there you have it. Fast, quick, simple. That's what we're about at SkillSwift. Please subscribe. We need the subscribers. Make sure you like and comment. Until the next one.